Hi guys, today is going to be a different kind of video. I've got my coffee here that I just made. Oh, and I got fluff, cat fluff stuck to my stitches. Hello Arlo, you wanna smell my coffee? What's wrong? Why are you crying? I'm here in my PJs, I'm on the couch, got fuzzy blanket on, and I thought I would just sit down and be really raw and real with you guys, because I feel like it'll be the easiest way for me to like move forward, and maybe like, I don't know, it'll help me because I'm dealing with a lot of stuff and I just really need to vent, and I know you guys are just, you guys are my friends. You guys are there for me through, you guys have been there for me through so much stuff since the very beginning. You guys have been there for me through everything, and you guys have been there, you know, with me through stuff that you didn't know I was dealing with. I mean, most importantly, you guys have been there with me through my acne journey and just how difficult that's been, and everything, and behind the scenes I was going through so much more stuff that you guys just didn't know about, and I want to share that with you guys today because it has to do with my acne, and it has to do with my mental health, it has to do with my faith, it has to do with so many things that you guys want to know about. And I'm in a place right now where I'm not feeling the best, and I just kind of want to sit down and talk to you guys and be real with you about some questions that you guys have had, and I really just need to sit down and talk with you guys. Like, you know, I'm not feeling the best, and I just want to sit and talk with my friends, and yeah, I just kind of want that intimate moment with you guys. And the cats are going to be meowing, especially Arlo. He's a chatter. Come here, buddy. Come here. This is really nerve-wracking. It's really nerve-wracking. So back in June of last year, I was put on antidepressants, and that has been the hardest decision that I've had to make, and one that I was pushed to do for a while by therapists and psychiatrists and things like that, and something that I didn't want to do unless I felt like I absolutely needed it. And last year was one of the hardest years I've gone through. 2017, 2018, 2019, those were 3 super hard years. I should say 2017. If you guys don't know, I actually was engaged in 2017, and that breakup really affected me in more ways than one. I don't know if I want to say this, but it's as you guys know, I have PTSD, post-traumatic stress disorder, and I have that because I was assaulted. And as someone, you just, so it messed me up. It messed me up so bad, and I've lost who I am as a person. And 2018, I just kind of fell apart completely. I was working, and that was keeping me going for the most part, and I met my boyfriend in 2018, and he just never gave up on me, and that was the best thing. He was my best friend, and I could tell him anything, and it was just so great to have him there. And my relationship with God just, I don't know, it was so strong, and then it would fall, and it was so difficult to go through that season because I was just like, God, why did I go through all of that? Why did you allow these things to happen? And I still don't know why. I still don't know what my purpose is on this earth right now, and that's something I'm completely struggling with right now. My YouTube is all I have. Right now it's my career, it's my job, and lately it's just been falling apart, and I just feel completely like worthless. Just as women, we compare ourselves so much, and that's all I'm doing is comparing myself to everybody that I see on Instagram, on YouTube, and just how successful everybody is, but we don't know what all these other people are going through, and that's just, it's like, why can't I just tell myself that, like, I'm doing my absolute best and I'm not gonna please everybody, and that's okay. But I'm still struggling with that. I was put on antidepressants in June of last year, and so many of you guys have asked, you know, what's cleared your acne, what's helped your acne, and all this stuff, and the antidepressants are what cleared my acne. And that's something that you guys can't just go on, but a huge factor of my stress, or a huge factor of my acne, was stress and just the anxiety and the depression. I was diagnosed with major depressive disorder, generalized anxiety disorder, PTSD, and the biggest one, which has been so overwhelming and just so hard to deal with, has been borderline personality disorder. And when the psychiatrist told me, it was like a big light bulb went off. I was like, you are reading, you just explained everything that I've been dealing with for so long. You finally got that. And being on medication for this long has come with challenges. The biggest thing that it's helped me with has been my acne, because the stress and anxiety was just causing so many flare-ups, and it was getting so difficult and so hard to read the comments on YouTube, people telling me, well, stop trying makeup and stop doing this and you need to eat better and all this stuff. And it's like, behind the scenes, I was doing all of those things. I literally wear makeup once a week or twice a week. I only wear makeup for YouTube. I have so many intolerances and allergies to food. I literally don't eat much. I don't eat gluten, I don't eat dairy, I can't eat red meat, I can't eat a lot of like other random things, and it's like, I don't know, my acne just wasn't getting any better. And once I started the antidepressants, my acne just got heaps better. And anytime I had like a really bad anxiety attack or a really bad panic attack, my acne would come back and would flare up, and I just knew that's what it was, and that's the truth. That's the truth. I wish I would have started antidepressants sooner, but it's so hard when you've tried so many different medications, and I tried a medication and I got a horrible reaction to it, and I just didn't want to try again. And I've been trying this other one since June, and I switched to another medication, and then I had a bad reaction with that, so I had to go back to another one. It's like, it's been so hard, and I just feel so crazy and insane being like, I have to take medication in order to feel normal, and that's so frustrating sometimes. It's like, I can't be a normal person, and I have to take medication in order to be normal and in order to function, and that's like so difficult. It's like so many things are going on in my head all of the time, and I don't want that to happen. And I just want to be this positive ray of sunshine for all of you guys, and you guys have been such an amazing positive thing in my life. Those of you who just leave the most wonderful comments, and you guys make me smile, and then it's like those stupid comments that just tear me down, and I just feel like so stupid. Being diagnosed with like a really heavy diagnosis, like borderline personality disorder, was like so heavy, and it just made me feel even more like not normal. And I'm not saying like if you have these things you're not normal. It's like this is how I feel, and if you're going through it too, like having anxiety and depression and just having to take medication and feeling like that's the only way you can feel somewhat normal and not be ruled by these mental disorders, it's like so hard. It's like sometimes when you're on this stuff you just feel absolutely nothing at all, and it's like I've lost a huge part of myself and I want that back. I'm so upset at everything that I've gone through, and I wish that I didn't, but God allowed those things to happen for a reason, and my relationship with him has gotten so strong, and then it falls, and I know God's testing me right now, and it's really, really hard. And if you're going through something like that, just know God will never leave you. And I just tell myself that God will never leave me, and I have so much hope because I have a Heavenly Father that loves me so much. But it's still so difficult. Like, I've isolated myself so much. And I've lost so many friends, and I like literally have nobody anymore, and it's so sad. And I just wish that like all you wonderful people that watch my videos could be my friends, and it's been really hard because my acne's gotten so much better, and my views on the videos that I've been putting up have gone down because my acne's better. And it's like, was all I worth my acne? And it's like, well then why am I on antidepressants? You know, the antidepressants are helping me, but in my skin. Hi buddy, come here. It's just been really hard. And I want to be honest with you guys because I feel like I'm putting up videos, and in behind the scenes it's just I struggle so much. If you're going through anything at all, no, I'm going through things with you. Reach out to me, talk to me, and I've met some incredible people that have reached out to me through Instagram, and it's been so great to talk to you guys. And so I just want to be honest about everything.